consumed my heart with your love. Jesus, you have captured my heart, consumed my heart with your love. Somebody lift it up and say, you are my heart. Yes, Lord.
My heart with your love.
I love you, Jesus, for you have captured my heart, consumed my heart with your love. If all I say
is Jesus,
Jesus, that's more than enough. Your name is more than enough.